Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 14th of March 2022. So today is first trading day after the Johor election. So no surprise there. And so today, right, the market feels like what? Feels like the Mama store during MCO. Quiet, very, very quiet. Before we start, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. So today market going to show hand already. But we want to wait confirmation tomorrow. But market already show hand today. But remember, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, so support the channel. So want to open CGS-CIMB account? Don't forget, you can click my link and open the account. Okay, you can find it in my. Look at Mr. Bean again. I post something this morning. Here, okay, want to open open trading, open KLSE trading account with CGS-CIMB. Just click here, fill in the form, and these CGS-CIMB reminder will call you to open the account. Now very easy, everything online. So no need to go to the bank, because now the COVID, everywhere. COVID is everywhere. My house also got ready. So be careful. And also my website also got. Also got the link. TradingView.com there. Open CGS-CIMB account here. Okay. So okay, let's check out what's going on today. Before that, disclaimer first. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Okay, let's check out the market. Today KLCI dropped below the neckline already. So this is what we wanted, what I wanted. Not to say I want the market to drop, but this one fit my strategy. Okay, we want the price to drop low, then we're gonna buy again. So okay, neckline broken through the neckline, retest. Okay, cannot hold, came back down. So this is the area that we want to watch out. 15151526. This area, see whether it can rebound or not. Most likely when it come to this area, RSI will go to below 50. So market will be quite weak during this time. Not below 50, below oversold. Okay, after oversold, when it show good momentum up, okay, show good momentum up, double bottom, when it does all the pattern, all the rebound pattern. Okay, when come here, double top, double bottom, head and shoulder, these type of things, when it happen here, so we will start to buy it up to the target. Okay, where all the bank put there Okay, all the bank put where is all the bank target? Here, right? Here, right? So for me it's good. Maybe if you're holding a lot of stock, it's no good, but for me it's good. Okay, the further it drop, the better for me. Okay, for this investing. Because as I said, if it drop further, the window to go up is higher. One window is higher. Okay, if it just start from here, the window is not so big. So and we are buying at a higher cost, right? We want to buy low cost, right? Okay, so today I think finally show hand already. Looks like it's going to drop. So hold on. Okay, let's look at the sector. Today sentiment is 32. Now today is market almost close at 1226. Okay, sentiment is 32. Gainers 256. Market not close, almost to the break. Not close. Close is at night. Evening. So now it's almost break already. So 32. Sentiment 256 up, 544 down. Not so good. Volume 1.269. Okay. Drop 10 points, 0.68%, 1557. So morning goes up. Morning straight away slow down.
So after 11 o'clock, institution come in a bit, got push it up a bit, but still drop. So this is not by any means that market is going to drop. Confirm going to drop today evening. If it can still push up. We want to see what the institution does. So consumer drops 0.61, industry drop 1.75, construction drop 0.94. So don't forget, we talked about this one. Saturday, look at all KLSE sector. So this one we already have a picture what would go on this week, which we expected no catalyst, okay, and the war also no solution yet. So most probably, okay, market is going to drop. We already expected this one because we can't see any catalyst that anything that's going to push the market up. So technology drop again 1.86, construction drop 0.94. Finance drop 0.52, property drop 0.71, plantation drop 1.69. So plantation quite bad. Already this morning I got post this one. Palm oil futures big drop. So be careful. I saw the palm oil futures drop. Okay, so be careful. Probably those palm oil stock that you're holding is if dropping near your this stop loss, maybe let go first. Property drop 0.71, finance drop 0.52, plantation drop 1.69, RET drop 0.18, energy drop 0.55, healthcare today up 1.63. When the market goes bad, healthcare always goes up one. It's like something look like a, like a, feels like a trap. Whenever market goes bad, right? Just like when we got Omicron, this, that, right? Market goes bad. Healthcare will always rebound, will show itself up. We will like, show itself, then people will jump in, then after a while it will go down again one. Also, I think I always feel that this healthcare, whenever market is bad, right, it will suddenly like especially in the Monday morning, it will suddenly pump up one. So a lot of people will jump in, healthcare, because you can't, because you got nothing to play except healthcare. Then you see, healthcare suddenly goes up. Healthcare want to rebound, it will show itself. But then most of the time it's trapped. I'm not saying every time it's trapped, most of the time it's trapped. Technology 0.01 up, transportation 0.11 down, utility 0.1 down, up. Okay, so look at healthcare. Okay, look at healthcare chart. So anything you need short-term rebound for, probably anything is a short-term rebound for opportunity for exit only, opportunity to run only. So you see, you haven't even break through all these resistance yet here, all these things. And you see, before it goes up higher, it already starting to sell down, already got a tail over here. So that's just the story about this healthcare. So look at any momentum. Today only healthcare got momentum. HARTA got some volume, 6.3 up. We take a look. Heineken no volume. KSM no volume. No volume. TOPGLOV got some volume. Take a look. TOPGLOV. Adventa got some volume. Take a look. Adventa. And K Plus also got some volume. Take a look. KOSSAN also got some volume. Take a look. KOSSAN. So today basically it's glove Take a look Who knows? Who knows? It's a real thing but I don't think so. But never mind. We just take a look. So there's nothing much to talk about this morning. TOPGLOV. Okay, got some rebound today, but TOPGLOV is still on a big downtrend. Okay, any rebound is opportunity. If we get caught over here, 2 ringgit area, this rebound is a chance to run. You see, all the bank only give what value? Give the price around 180 or 2. Highest is 2 ringgit. Right now it's 1 ringgit 70. So highest is a few days rebound. That's it only. The valuation also no good. Also a bit difficult. KOSSAN also today up. KOSSAN a bit stronger. Okay, KOSSAN a bit stronger. So KOSSAN gonna make something like a range bound. Or maybe it will be ranging between 1 ringgit to 2 ringgit. You do something like this, I think. KOSSAN maybe will be like this already. It won't drop. Maybe it won't drop anymore, but it's very hard for it to go up. Also, it will be a range around 150 to 2 ringgit this area If you got chance go up, you got chance to run HARTA. HARTA got a big rebound today. HARTA got big rebound. Maybe some good news coming from HARTA. We are not sure, but definitely I'm not buying. Okay. So what happened? Looking at this, right? Divergence a bit. There probably there is some kind of rebound, some kind of rebound. Maybe it will be like range bound like this, around 450 to 5 ringgit. This area it will be like 450 to 6 ringgit it will range bound over here. Maybe no more dropping, but I don't see go very high But this one HARTA, if right any this glove stock, right? Any glove stock that possible can rebound up can rebound back higher, right? Possible is HARTA and KOSSAN. Or these are the two that possible got chance to like maybe can go up a bit for now. These are the two if you possible. Others are very big. So today K Plus also got some big rebound. It's already starting to sell down already, right? K Plus, right? Already starting to sell down. So this one also not much, not so good. Adventa also got big rebound. Adventa probably got some energy to rebound but any rebound now is opportunity to run if you get caught but buy in I will not buy in I will not. Okay, so that's it. Nothing much today. As I said, it's like the mama store during MCO today. Nobody, quiet and nothing much to talk about. So I'll see you again in the evening. See what happened. Okay. Stay safe from COVID. Bye bye.